my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this hot girl summer makeup look. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the brows. Normally, I already have my brows done on camera, but I wanted to show you guys this new brow pencil that I have been loving. This is the Feel Guide by SCALPA. This is a really nice brow pencil, you guys. It comes with the spoolie on one end, and then it comes with the actual pencil on the other end. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows using this pencil. Of course, I'm just taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up my brows. That brow pencil made it super easy and super quick to do my brows, you guys. Like, I got brows in less than like 5 minutes. Like, that was super quick. So I will say this brow pencil is definitely different from what I'm used to. I'm normally used to a more pointed brow pencil. This one is a little bit more rounded. So for my girls that already have naturally thick brows and you already have brows, this is going to be perfect for you because you only need like a slight fill in. But for someone like me, I wish that it was just a little bit more pointy on the end, especially so that I can really create a brow, being that I really don't have brows at all. But other than that, this brow pencil is really good. It was really smooth. I like that it's not too shiny. My brows are not shining or anything. I love the color. Super dark like I like it, how I like my hair. I feel like this is going to be a really good brow pencil for work. Like when I just want to throw on my brows really quick like this. Because for work, I really don't conceal my brows and make sure they're defined or anything. This is a really good go-to brow pencil. And then of course I'm taking my Airspun loose face powder to set that concealer. Y'all, I feel like the whole concealer part just took longer than putting the brows on. It's crazy. So for today's eyeshadow look, I was feeling something kind of pink with maybe a little bit of purple. We'll see how it goes. I never know what I'm going to do when I sit down to film these videos. Not really. I just go with the flow. So of course, I had to try this palette out again. This is the BH Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo palette. I use this in one of my most previous videos, you guys. The palette is gorgeous. She's gorgeous. I'm trying to see which shade I should go into first. I definitely want to play with some of these pinks, and I also want to play with these two purples right here. Let's see what we can create. So I really underestimated this color, y'all. Look what it's doing. Okay, BH Cosmetics. And by the way, you guys, this shade that I'm using is called Blossom. So now I'm just taking another brush, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with this shade right here. It's called Kyoto? I don't know. So it's this beautiful, deep, dark purple shade right here. I'm going to go in with it with a super light hand. I don't want this makeup look to get too dark or anything, but I'm just going to use a super light hand with this color. And I'm lightly blending it in, and I'm focusing it only in this outer corner area. And I believe I'm gonna stop right there because I don't want it to get too crazy. And now I'm just blending out what I have on my lid already. I'm just blending out that purple. I'm not adding any more shadow. So next I'm going to take this super hot pink right here. This is in the shade Emoji. And I'm going to take another really clean brush. I'm going to use this one. It's good for packing and blending. And I'm going to put this pretty much all over my lid besides where I put the purple at, if that makes sense. And I'm also really focusing this color in my inner corner area. And I'm pretty much just packing it and blending it at the same time. So I'm just going back in with my purple brush and just making sure those two colors are really blended together. Then I'm just taking the first brush that I use and I'm gonna blend right above the purple and the pink just to make sure those colors are nice and blended. So this is pretty much it for the eyes for now. So I'm trying to decide if I want to do a little pink right here or not. I don't know. Let's go ahead and move on to the face. We're gonna come back to the eyes because I don't think I'm quite finished with them. Even though this is cute, she's cute, but I'm feeling just a little bit extra today. So give me a second. Alright, so for primer, I'm going to be using my CoverGirl primer. This is the True Blend Base Business Pore Minimizing Primer. So for foundation, I am using Estee Lauder Double Wear. You guys, I am almost finished with this bottle so that I can go ahead and crack open my new baby. I am super excited to be finishing this up. Like, this is my first time really finishing up all of a foundation, a high-end foundation at that. So I'm excited about that. So I'm just over here playing in this white t-shirt with this makeup. Like, I got some real balls, because what am I doing? Like, I'm literally playing with my whole life in this white t-shirt doing makeup. And then for concealer, I'm using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I have been really liking matte primers and matte concealers. Anything matte under my eyes lately, I have been loving it, especially because it's summertime. It's super hot. I already have combination skin, but when the summertime comes, you guys, it makes me feel like I have oily skin. And then to go ahead and set my concealer, I'm using my black opal powder, and this one's in the shade Neutral Light. So I just realized that I actually used my nose contour brush for my eyeshadow. Like, how did that even happen? Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and snatch my nose. And of course, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible. Okay, nose is snatched. You guys, I am looking super bright in this monitor. It may just be the white shirt and the lights, but I hope this video is not going to be overly exposed. We'll see, sis, we'll see. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with that eyeshadow. I'm gonna take that same hot pink shade Emoji, and I'm going to put it right back here. I feel like some of it got lost once I applied my concealer. So I like the eyes like this. It's cute, but I really want to add some of this pink liner. I know I did it in my last video, but let's do it again. I don't know if you guys can really see it or not, but I think she's cute. I think it's cute. I don't know why, like maybe I put this in a container wrong, but the brush is going kind of wonky. Probably need to grab another one of these. I never really use them, but sis, it's summertime. Like, it's summertime. It's summertime. It's summertime, okay? Alright, so before we move on to the rest of the face, I'm going to finish up the eyes, but I'm going to go ahead and set my face just to make sure nothing creases. I'm using my broke ass Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder. My sister had this in the bag, you guys, when we went to the beach, and she was responsible for carrying it. So that's how this happened. But I have like 3 more, you know, I keep backups. But we're not wasting nothing. Like, we're gonna use it till the wheels fall off around here. So now I'm really playing games. Y'all, I better not get none of this on my shirt. And this stuff is broken. Y'all, I should be ashamed. I wish y'all could see what it looked like. She's set and ready to go. So yeah, before we move on to bronzer, I want to go ahead and finish up these eyes because that just kind of got me super lit. It got me super excited. So I went to the store yesterday and I picked up this. This is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner. I use this in my yellow and blue smoky eye makeup look. So I had to go back and get purple. Now I got to grab the green because it's just crazy at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline using this purple. So LA Girl, y'all doing it like that? That's how y'all coming? So now that we got that down pat, I think that I'm going to take a little bit of the hot pink and I'm going to kind of put it right underneath the purple, or either kind of smudge it into it. Or better yet, I'm just going to focus this pink on the inner portion of my eye. Oh, see, this brush let me get all up in there. That's why I needed to get it right up in there. So I think I'm going to go ahead and skip out on the wing liner or any liner as usual anyway. And I'm just going to go ahead and pop on the lashes. These lashes are going crazy. So I'm just going to apply some mascara to my top and my bottom lashes. So I want to add something to my inner corner, but not really. Not really. It's cute and matte. So I'm going to go ahead and add some warmness to my face, get a little snatched. This bronzer, I took this when I went to Destin, y'all. Girl, if you don't have this, www.ulta.com, period. And that's just that. And I'm going to leave that alone. And then for blush, I'm going to be using this Anastasia blush. This is their trio in Pink Passion. I just take all 3, you know, whatever's on the brush, slap it on the cheeks. little bit of glow, you know, not too much, just a little. I'm taking this Laura Geller Dripping in Gold highlighter palette in Gilded Honey. Just a little something. I really like the matteness that I had going on. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my mold. And let's move on to the lips. So I am using this lip liner, this NYX lip liner in Vintage. I meant to get Club Popper, but it's cool. Lipstick, I'm using this Wet n Wild one, and this one is Rose the Matter. Oh, that's where my pinks were. I was looking for like one of my bougie pink lipsticks, but I couldn't find it. Now I know where they are. All right, beautiful pink shade. And Wet n Wild is the business. Girl. Girl. This does not look how I look in the tube, but damn. This is yummy. I have like 10 lip glosses up here. This one's cute. And then of course I love a good clear gloss. I live for a good clear gloss. I think that's gonna make it a little bit too dark. I'm kind of liking it how it is. Let's go with this one. I haven't really used this one yet, not by itself. These lip glosses smell like Vaseline or something, like little girl makeup. Then I'm just gonna take some of this clear gloss. So that toned it down a little bit. I really didn't want it toned down that much. But we'll go with it. So that is pretty much it for this makeup look. I hope you guys have been enjoying the makeup looks that I've been giving you guys. Very much so hot girl summer, spring, and summertime makeup looks. I am loving it, you guys. I live for some color. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. Remember to be blessed, and I will see you guys in my next video.